Control charts are one of Ishikawa's 7 tools of quality. Using the concept of upper and lower control limits, they are a quite useful tool in helping manage results. Some of our readers, listeners, viewers have asked why you would want an upper control limit for something that the more you get, the better you like it. For example, why would you want an upper control limit on sales close rate? People understand a lower control limit on sales close rate, but they're not clear on why you would want an upper control limit on something like sales close rate. In truth, as many experienced sales managers will tell you, if you have too high a sales close rate, you're probably not moving enough leads through the pipeline, and you're scrapping leads too early, thus possibly moving viable opportunities out of your pipeline. This could also be tracked with the use of control charts at other parts in the pipeline, besides just at the close. However, it is possible to have too high a close rate, so an upper control limit is in fact valid. In our white paper linked at the bottom of the screen, we discuss the concept of control charts and how they apply to marketing and sales.